let us go to the next pramana called Anumana Praman. So in the first Praman, Pratyaksha Praman, we understood that our senses have imperfections, and because of this imperfection, we cannot understand the reality as it is. We can't get the knowledge exactly even about this material world, and what to speak about God. So now let us see, from Anumana Praman can we get some tangible, worthy knowledge. So Anumana Praman means, as I said, it is theories based on evidence, inference or guesswork. So in Anumana Praman, and whenever we talk about Anumana Praman in science, we have to talk about the great scientist called Charles Darwin. So in The Origin of Species, Darwin has written in his book, and he says most of the places in his book, he is the one who actually said man came from monkey, and all the animals slowly they actually evolved. So here in his book, most of the places he makes this statement. What is that? He says it may have been like this, or perhaps it was like this. So he always uses it may be, it could have been, it might be. So whenever people use this might be, maybe, that means they are not sure. So only when you are not sure, you start using statements like maybe, might be, all these things. So the moment if somebody uses these words in the sentences, understand that they don't have clear knowledge, and with this statements we cannot arrive at conclusion also. Darwin in his own book, he mentions that I always speculate. Without speculation, we can't arrive at any conclusion. So why we have to believe someone else's speculation as the absolute truth, rather than believing that our Vedic scriptures itself gives us the absolute truth in an absolute way. So we are very fortunate that we have Vedic scriptures with us, which can give us wonderful knowledge in a very logical way. Thank you very much.